Let's learn sea animal fun facts along with sea animal toes. Saltwater crocodile. Saltwater crocodiles can grow up to 23 feet long and weigh over 2,200 pounds. Whale. There are two main types of whales: baleen whales, which are filter feeders, and toothed whales, which hunt the prey with their teeth. Clownfish. Clownfish are orange with white bands and grow about 4 to 5 inches. Octopus. The largest octopus is the giant Pacific octopus, which can reach 16 feet and weigh over 100 pounds. Great white shark. Great white sharks have tough, sandpaper-like skin and no bones, only cartilage. Duck. Ducks can lay between 100 to 300 eggs a year, depending on the breed. Duck love to swim all day long. Squid. Squids live in oceans worldwide and usually live 1 to 3 years. Monkey. Most monkeys eat fruits, leaves, seeds, and small insects. Cow. Cows can produce over 22 liters of milk each day. Rhino. Rhinos can weigh up to 5,000 pounds and have thick skin. Crab. Some crabs can walk in any direction, but they move fastest sideways. Zebra. Zebras are social animals and often live in herds called dazzles. Octopuses change color using special cells called chromatophores to hide or signal. Penguin. Penguins use their wings like flippers to swim fast in the water. Tortoise. Tortoise shells are made of bone and grow with them throughout their life. Chick. Chicks hatch after about 21 days of incubation. Hermit crab. Hermit crabs can range from less than an inch to over 6 inches in shell size. Walrus. Walruses use their tusks to pull themselves out of the water onto ice. Deer. Male deer grow new antlers every year. Lion. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour for short bursts. Frog. Frogs breathe through both their lungs and their skin. Polar bear. Polar bears have black skin under their white fur to absorb heat. Hippo. Hippos secrete a natural sunscreen that looks reddish-orange. Otter. Otters hold hands while sleeping in water to keep from drifting apart. Blue tang. Blue tang fish can grow up to 12 inches and are bright blue with yellow tails.